Mr. Sports Minister, and some now all canon. Any the other to Jano. But some tinio may be a sena, me whom ya all cacusi. Ni Juma Diano, Nimpompon, so no coming percent me tia see.
Set the
friend say, committee Alberti.
What tia now, Betty?
What in poor reader?
What we are no great.
Kwame. You bet your mocha, right?
Sure, no one ever mind Janica.
You know, again, roadmap, or bad damn Black Stars.
Oh, you was a kind.
Come, man, so bet me, 7 years didn't come up. Me, Alice be at here for come. I think will be, I think will be IAE, ABI was on radio. I think it will be a 4 car. To come the only car can want it.
Or say,
at least. Would the council was at a crank treating council?
Tell me, we did mean some no kind.
Okay.
And I'm more voice in the moon.
Come with the end to us.
Immediately.
With the end to us a miracle. With the end to us a miracle. Come, Sports Minister, and why I can't answer. Now, I think that's a World Cup. No, I started I mean, Nippon be no Kwame. Omuda Omuna. Anna, if no now, my so mother, including a Sports Minister, Kofi Adams.
Honorable.
Yes. I'm not able to job a car say bit me who see what cap amana ye. And then there was a cotty committee say ne Kwame. Omumabwa no munya roadmap. Omumabwa na preparation na yeko for World Cup. Omumabwa na afi omumboa na yenko World Cup no. The World Cup jumedi ekodi. Omu na beboy omu bra. Ombe church me ebeye yemfa ha yenyese Kwame ananya sanity.
Sanity.
Kwame ni achia omuka.
Akatuana hawana.
No, me do point ba. Kwame. GFA and I say Black Stars. Some management committee Kwame, what are they doing? What are they doing? Kwame, moreover, roadmap and idea na all canon. Coach team no. And your coach and then the plan beba. Ana, yes, sanity.
So we know when your logistics who.
Kwame, you Kwame, share. Sikano nyina dia Kwame de bia me kase masa ye nananom ne ma menum a omu di power abonti no Kwame ya ju omu ska o boso no so a ye tie tax o enti e hwe omu na ska na abonti no ska no ye nya de be ska na lord wa justice Kwame edi assist dada de football world cup no na ye won krofo bi lord ye kofa logistics for be tena ho omu improve de and you want to be a performance na kwasoro Kwame yenye no ma yedada
nti jumadi na ye kwani am prepare na
Kwame
so see prepare say dey na magu akwa
I was here prepare me say Black Stars management committee Kwame what are they doing there omo ye dey o omo ne yakwa ye nchi omo ka ye mo muska ye mo mala wansa na enchi omo business omo dey Black Stars say any dey jumadi a o kase ya kofa nkrofo logistics o the one on better abe no Kwame are you trying to tell me say GF management committee they can't do this? Are you saying say GF they can't do this? Are we saying say coach they can't do that?
The committee's overarching objective is to facilitate the Black Stars preparation and improve their performance compared to previous editions. Additionally,
hold on. First point. What's it there? Facilitate
the Black Stars preparation and improve their performance.
Kwame, improve their performance. No.
As I the GF for count.
GF for count what's say?
Like committee no form no. F4 count.
Omo kan ho asin.
They are part like omo rep our committee ni so.
Kwame. Enti no plan ho na be draw am.
Committee ni na draw plan. Na mo dey akwa cabinet na cabinet approve am.
Kwame, you see emien we siska.
Omo ye adwuma
we siska. Enye adwuma. Adwuma omo ye no. GF4 no Black Stars man Kwame me see dey no omo ti omo ye. Sawe extra money about cost here because
also be ya scout.
On be scout.
Or say additionally it is aimed to promote Ghana's image and attract investments by showcasing Ghana's the country's culture and tourism potentials.
What new are they going to do?
I don't know more start here Juma.
Kwame, you see, yen start here Juma, yen forward, ye Kwame. Ghana ha committee be a better biano. At the end of the day, baby, no, now Sakoya Abodi.
The committee will develop a comprehensive roadmap to the World Cup, guiding activities such as fundraising, team training, friendly matches, media campaigns, cultural events, and trade initiatives.
Also, I talked about contradiction. I heard the objectives of the Black Star management. What you are saying is the duties of the Black Stars management.
Exactly.
Black Stars
management.
So,
sure.
What are they doing
Black Stars management, especially the duty of Randia. The committee, which is tasked with overseeing the administrative and logistics aspects of the team, will be chaired by Dr. Randy Abbey, an executive council member of the GFE. In addition to chairing the committee, Dr. Randy Abbey shall lead engagement with government and other stakeholders.
But Dr. Randy Abbey, as the Black Stars Management Committee, will not go and do fundraising in support of the Black Stars.
So are they going to do fundraising at the World Cup?
Oh, there'll be more, but corporate entities. It's a Ghana Nubia say the supporters, but support team. The government through the sports minister, as a young fa abiding sika and fa supporters and but some corporate entities are more. He said it. The minister said it.
Kwame, you see, me say, you be wesiska based on sa committee or artist can you be wesi. You be wesiska Kwame.
Oh, problem your committee no.
Omo be den. Ade no be. Ade asonko. Sika na no abapapa ye hu de omo diska ne be. Abampo a sika no abampo ne ye hu de omo de be. Abampo wo be cheche mu se sika na apa ye de yese. De bia de beti we afa ha. Ade committee. Management committee no Kwame, they can do this job. Emi enkobo campaign no. Ye kwa they are going to get paid. Ye beti omo ka. Ewo ho. GFM management committee omo we. And sorry I said committee a wasati. Ye bo campaign no. With the same aim. Ade committee be. Ade an nwa no mo be. Kwame, yenye proper measurement. Nye fa nwa kam. Ye mo obia nye na djuma, coach nye na djuma. Management committee for no nye o ma djuma. Aban nye na djuma. GFA nye na djuma. Enye committee we ene be solve a problem. Enye committee we ene be me performance akoye. Kwame, your performance enye committee we ene be ma coach Otuado akoye good selections. Enye committee we ene be ma ene Ghana your performance no akosoro yakoje World Cup no nye committee we yenye die hia nye sikadie no because ade ayo mo kofa be Kwame ade asa Kwame tax na ya tie no bosome so ye tax free sika so a etiri huo nti to ni mo a e kan bosome so na ho tax na e kan nti e kasa Kwame o se e kasa because sika no e kwa ni hunu yakobo campaign no na yemfa friend say aban sika emfa supporters Ghana for enkwa na Kwame sa fundraising na omokoye no omokoye amawan
aso omoye fundraising enye bia no mo supporters eko
enti enye bia omonko
and the minim dia ban ne be
Kwame, we are wasting time. I'm telling you, we are wasting time. Papa your friend Kofi Adams honorable there Kwame say me maka so anhwe ya this Black Stars Kwame ebe mre ni meguase honorable sports minister so anhwe ya Black Stars we ebe mre ni meguase and GFA for so Kwame and sports minister so mabedi asu nyina Kwame Black Stars nso na mo nya asem and if he want to follow the trend he should continue
ate
Kwame Kakrebe on Black Kotoko Papa your friend James Kosiapia Kwame coach IMC member Kwame omboa na apen kakra
omboa ne kakra
I
don't want his own one
yes
sana wo
oh yes in fact me who impact Kosiapia impact our dema koroko me
ma players engagement nyina odi mu titima wo
de hia so
on sign on sign
that is why I'm saying say
sharing komo
enu ntira me say omwa na na pen krakakra kwame yewura Kosiapia football no wanyiri wo mo onim de obia mo ba kwame koroko ye nioma ba ku mienu bia mentiase and it sounds like I mean in fact I'm not feeling Kosiapia I'm not feeling him kwame players I will say Asante Koroko ekoto maba now players no kwame at this moment Atakra make a valid point second wonder we hear player kwame afina okoto player I'm gonna be justify afina kofa player aba time ni wo
ani ad much never to us
sa o kwame exare ma hu ma say we ma betano hwa bachi
number much never to us
oh into promise
me promise your never to us
okay Martin